In this video, I will guide you how to bookmark in Edge browser. Make sure bookmarking in Microsoft Edge is a quick and easy. So here are the most efficient ways to do that. So if you want to add a single page, then you need to click the star icon with the plus sign at the right end of the address bar. You just click done. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl plus D. A menu will appear. You can rename the favorites. Here you can type any name and click done. So if you want to add all open tabs at once to your favorite, so if you have a research session, then you can easily save. For this you need to right click on the any open tab and select add open pages to the favorites. Click on the more tools and then go to the add all tabs to the favorites. And here you can give the project name, for example, Cricket, and click save. Moreover, you can also use the Ctrl Shift plus D. So this will prompt you to create a new folder for all those tabs. For example, you can rename to the project, for example, Cricket Knowledge, the folder, and then click save. And then you want to view and manage your favorites. You need to click the favorite icon, star with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that and expand this arrow to see your all favorites in one Microsoft Edge page. So if you want to show your favorites bookmark permanently under the address bar, then you need to press the Ctrl Shift plus B. And here you can see that. There is another way, which is the full management. For type Edge : / and favorites. Hit enter. You can see all your favorites are open in the one open page, a full page, where you can manage and drag and drop, rename or delete the entities. Like this one, you can remove your favorite from here. Here you can remove it. If you want to undo that, like undo that. So if you want to move this your favorite to the second number, then click on that and drag to the second line. Now these resources explain how to add single page or multiple open tabs to your favorites in the Edge browser. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.